Well, good Tuesday afternoon to y'all. Lord mercy, it's Dan. I sure enough want to welcome y'all to my home, The Sticks. Hope everybody's having a good Tuesday. I'm here to tell y'all I got home late last night. I was trying to get a video out, but you know what? I said I'll just do it today. Dan, the weatherman, says it is nice out here in East Central Mississippi. We're expecting some rain to come in either tonight or tomorrow. That's good, we can use it. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is, actually it's in my shop. So give me a second, we finna walk in the shop and yeah, that's what we finna do. All right, y'all, we in the shop and let's go. What I wanted to share with you today is I ended up harvesting all of my Tabasco peppers. Well, not all of them, but I harvested a bunch of Tabasco peppers and my habanero peppers. What I want to do today is I want to take y'all along with me and I'm going to make some Tabasco sauce. I went digging around in my recipes and it's been several years since I've ever made this hot sauce, but I dug it up and it is a really simple sauce. So let me spin you around and I'm going to show you what all we're going to use ingredient wise. Of course, we have our Tabasco peppers.
Oh, it's too hot, lady.
1 small onion, 2 cups of vinegar, white distilled vinegar, 5% acidity, 2 tablespoons of salt. We're going to need something to cook the peppers down in, and all I have here is a enamel coated Dutch oven, non-reactive. We're going to need something to rough cut the Tabascos up, and what I have here is just a Ninja chopper. And towards the end, we're going to have to puree the peppers once they are done cooking. And we are going to use just a KitchenAid food processor. So let me get all of this stuff set up and I'm going to show you the first step. All right, the first step that we have to take care of is on these Tabascos, you can see that they have tops on them. So what we need to do is we have to get a knife and we have to cut all of these tops off. It's going to look something like that. So there's a bunch of them and that's the first step. Got to cut all of these tops off, and this is approximately 1 pound of Tabasco peppers, give or take. They're all different sizes and different colors. Ideally, if you want your pepper sauce to be one certain color, as in red, then you would pick all red ones or all ripe ones if you can. To me, it does not matter what the color is. I am more interested in taste. Let me get all of these tops cut off of these Tabasco peppers, and it's a bunch of them, and then we'll move into the second step. All right, y'all, here is our Tabasco peppers, and I have chopped all the tops off of them. The next step is we are going to put those peppers in this Ninja right here, and we're just going to give them a rough chop. And that's what it's looking like. I'm going to take these out. I'm just going to dump them off into this bowl right here. I'm going to set that off to the side. Remember those onions? We're going to rough cut these onions as well. Alright, y'all. There is our Tabasco peppers and our onions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add this into that, and we're going to start cooking it. We're going to add in our vinegar and our salt. Oh, I got some spectators too, by the way. My uncle and Miss Betty over here, they want to see old Dan cook.
And you don't let Roger Rabbit see it.
All right, here we go. Let's add this stuff in here.
In the hand. I love you now. We come from the same cloth, ain't we, baby?
All right, let's add in our vinegar.
No smiling while cooking.
No.
No more soup for you.
None for you. And our salt.
Get that on top. No soup for you.
All right. Oh,
Betty,
Lord.
Better Renee, what are you doing on YouTube with that
All
on
right.
your hand?
Over here, I have my Dutch oven. Well, my enamel Dutch oven. And here is the mixture. We're going to bring it up to boil. All right, y'all. We are at a full boil. And what we're going to do is we're going to set this timer for 5 minutes. And we're going to turn this down to about a low heat, and we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. So give me 5 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been 5 minutes. The 5 minutes is up. I pulled the peppers off of the fire, and we're gonna let it sit in this Dutch oven until it cools. I'm just all jacked up. Okay, here we go. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna let this this mixture cool, and that's the key point to it. You have to let it cool, and once it cools completely down, we're gonna move into the last step, or the second to last step. And what I failed to tell you is these peppers, Tabascos, habaneros, when you're cooking them, you need to be real careful with the fumes because it is strong. It will aggravate your nasal and your lungs too. So you just need to be careful. And I forgot to say, y'all probably noticed me cutting those peppers up without any gloves on. You need to wear gloves. If your skin is sensitive, wear gloves when you cut. Lord, wear the gloves when you cut the peppers. All right, y'all, our Tabasco mixture has cooled down considerably. And what I did, I actually cheated just a little bit to speed up the cooling process, and I put it in the refrigerator. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Tabasco mixture, pour it off into this this blender right here. Let's do that. Okay, here is our mixture. We have it in the KitchenAid blender. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and puree this Tabasco sauce. And the thing about it, what we're attempting to do is once we puree it really well, we're gonna put it in a mason jar probably, and we're gonna vacuum seal it, and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. And what we're gonna attempt to do is let this steep for about 2 weeks. So let's get to blending. That's the consistency that we're looking for. What's gonna happen is while this mixture is steeping, the seeds and everything else are gonna release their oils and the heat into the sauce, and that's what we want. Okay, what we have here is just an amber colored ball jar. We're gonna put this mixture into this jar. Let's pour it in there. What's gonna happen now is, I'm gonna do this probably off camera because y'all seen me seal mason jars, a whole bunch. But I'm gonna seal this up using the food saver. We're gonna put this mixture into the refrigerator, and we're gonna let it sit for 2 weeks. We're gonna let it sit and steep. And what's gonna happen is everything's gonna marry together. And in 2 weeks, I'll bring y'all back for the final step, and we'll sure enough do a taste test. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's just an easy way to make some Tabasco sauce, and I think it's gonna turn out really well. Several years ago I did some and I really enjoyed it. The stuff that I did, the process that I used to make it, I really enjoyed it. It was good. It was some good Tabasco sauce. Again, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Tuesday. And y'all, if you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Rafferty, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Especially when you're making some Tabasco hot sauce. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.